Welcome to Lenino. Today we are going to discuss RRB GK previous year questions. This is the fourth class of this section. First question. In 1944, who took over as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India and undertook the excavations of Harappa? A. Option A, Dayaram Sahini. Option B, John Marshall. Option C, Dakardas Banerjee. Option D, R.E.M. Wheeler. So, R.E.M. Wheeler took charge as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. In 1944, British archaeologist and army officer Mortimer Wheeler took over as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. During this period, the Iron Age site of Arikamindu and the Stone Age site of Brahmagiri, Chandravali, Manski in South India, and undertook the excavations and Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Archaeological Survey of India is the Government of India's organization responsible for archaeological research, conservation and preservation of cultural historical monuments in the country. It was founded during British period in 1861. It is founded during British period in 1861 by Sir Alexander Cunningham, who also became its first Director General. Cunningham retired in 1885 and was succeeded by James Burgess as the next Director General. Alexander Cunningham is considered as the father of Indian archaeology. But who is considered as the father of Archaeological Survey of India? Alexander Cunningham is considered as the father of Indian archaeology. Director General of Archaeological Survey of India is India was R.E.M. Wheeler. Which of the following Harappan site is not associated with the craft production? Balakota, Manda, Chanhudaro, Nageshwar. Answer is Manda. Manda is a Harappan site which is not associated with the craft production, whereas Chanhudaro is exclusively devoted to craft production, including bead making, shell cutting, metal working, seal working, and weight making, seal making, weight making. Specialized drills have been found at Chanhudaro, Lothal, and more recently Dholavira. Okay, Manda is a Harappan site which is not associated with the craft production. But Chanhudaro was exclusively devoted to craft production. Chanhudaro is known as city without a citadel. In Chanhudaro, craft production, also in bead making, shell cutting, and metal working also performed there. Specialized drills have been found at Chanhudaro, Lothal, and more recently at Dholavira. Where is Dholavira? It is in Gujarat. And Lothal is a port city. Harappans procured materials for craft production in various ways. For instance, they established settlements such as Nageshwar and Balakot in areas where shells was available. Other sites were Shotugai. It is in Afghanistan near the best source of lapis lazuli, a blue stone that was apparently very high value, and Lothal, which was near source of Carinian from Baruk in Gujarat, the steelite from South Rajasthan, North Gujarat, and metal from Rajasthan. Next question, Indus Valley civilization is dash years old and extend to the lower part of the Gangetic Valley in south and Tilmalva in north. Answer is 3000 BC. The nature of Harappan culture existed roughly between 2500 BC, 550 BC and 900 BC. Common date of Indus Valley civilization was assumed from 2500 BC to 1750 BC through analysis methods like radiocarbon. Next question, which civilization was developed from 5000 BC towards the south of Malwa and north to the entire foothills of the Ganga Valley? Options: Indus Valley civilization, Aryan Empire, Mauryan Empire, Magadha Empire. Answer is Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization was developed from 5000 BC towards the south of Malwa and north to the entire foothills of the Ganga Valley. Next question, the Harappan civilization flourished around 2500 BC. What do we call them today? Option A, Pakistan, Afghanistan, West India and Pakistan, Afghanistan and West India, India and China. The Harappan civilization developed around 2500 BC. This civilization extended to Western India and Pakistan. History of India begin with the birth of Indus Valley civilization, which came to existence almost 2500 BC. What was the most important feature of the Indus Valley civilization? First, exchange system, local transport system, building made of brick, administrative system. Most important feature of Indus Valley civilization was the building made of brick. Indus Valley civilization is a dash: Copper Age, Iron Age, Axis Era civilization, Bronze Age civilization. Answer is option D, Bronze Age civilization. Indus Valley civilization is also called the Bronze Age civilization. First metal used in this civilization was a mixture of copper and tin. 1400 centers of Indus Valley civilization have been discovered, out of which 925 centers are in India. This civilization was widespread around the Indus River and tributaries. The people of Indus Valley civilization mixed copper and tin to make bronze. Which of the following is not an important place of Indus Valley civilization? Option A, Kalibangan. Option B, Harappa. Option C, Mohenjo-daro. Option D, Azamgarh. Azamgarh was not an important place of Indus Valley civilization. Kalibangan, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, these were in the important places of Indus Valley civilization. Kalibangan, Rajasthan, Harappa is near Ravi River. Mohenjo-daro is called the Mount of Dead in Sindhi language. Azamgarh is not a site of Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization or Sindhu civilization was an urban civilization. Major site of Indus Valley civilizations are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothal, Banavali, Dholavira, Rakhi Gargi, and Kalibangan. People of Indus Harappa did not worship which of the following gods? Vishnu. The people of the Harappan civilization did not worship Lord Vishnu. A stamp of Swastika and Trimukhi man is shown sitting in yoga posture on the throne, which is considered to be original from Lord Shiva. On its right, there is a marking of elephant and tiger, and on the left side of the rhinoceros and buffalo. The people of the Harappan civilization considered the earth as the goddess of fertility and worshipped it. The people of Indus worshipped Pashupati. Indus people worshipped Pashupati. Three-faced deity Pashupati. So this is the last question of this section.